This shouldn't happen. That's bad. That's not good. Don't know how to fix this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unscrew the Allen screw. Try and get that out. Well, I finally got the stem out from the handle, but I went to the hardware store and they didn't have a replacement. And so instead of going around the place looking for a replacement handle with the stem, the faucet. They said it's pretty good, it's brass, so I'm gonna install it and see how it goes. Join me on this fun adventure. First thing I want to do is remove the old faucet. The way to do that is shut off the water. Off. It's righty tighty. Let's check it out. Righty tighty. So no more water. See, nothing going through. Good. Now we need to remove. What else do we need to remove? The connections back there. We need to get rid of this. We need to get this off. Yep, put that off. Put that there. And push this back. There it goes. Push it back. Just there. Alright. See the screw up there we can take off. I just loosened the screw up a little and came right off. Now I need to remove the water connections. Which is this thing over here. It shouldn't be that tight. You can see right there. I'm gonna try to use my hand to remove it. There. It should be hand tightened, so we'll grab the other one. Just down there. Now I gotta remove these little black nuts. So it should be righty tight like Lucy. Again, it should be hand tightened, so it shouldn't be too hard to get off my hand. So I think it can unhand. See, it was hand tightened, so I could unscrew it with my hand. There. See, it's coming off my hand. So I unscrew it. Alright, once you have the connection off, the faucet should come off easily. Just pull it. As you can see, it has some plumber's putty on the bottom, which means to prevent leaks. That's what we're going to do with the new faucet. Put some plumber's putty on it. I'm going to use this kind of plumber's putty, Black Swan. Let's put lather on the bottom over here, all over the place, like how they did it over here. Putty, and just start wrapping it around the faucet. Yeah, I think I went overboard, but whatever. Let's see what happens when I install it. Squish it down. And then make sure there's no straight. I'm going to attach these new ones back on the bottom. Just hand screw it in. Get as tight as possible. For now I'm just going to leave it a little loose. Tighten up your hand. as much as possible. Alright, so I tightened those nuts on bottom, looks pretty stable. Now all I need to do is hook up the water connections. Let's attach the water supply. The hot goes to the left. No leaks here. I don't see any leaks here. And that's how we swap out a faucet for the bathroom. Took about an hour. It's about $48 for a new faucet. Everything's good.